Warren Buffett is worth approximately $117 billion and obviously does not need to be concerned about how much money he spends on a daily basis. Despite his position as the world's fifth wealthiest person, the famous billionaire is recognized for his spendthrift spirit and modest approach to life. So how might you sock up that much savings? Take a leaf out of Warren Buffett's book. Here are the 10 smartest ways the business tycoon saves money that you might want to try in your own life. If Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors in the world, prefers cash over credit, why should you use credit cards? While most of us appreciate the ease of a credit card for regular transactions, Buffett prefers to pay with cash. In 2019, he told Yahoo Finance that he uses cash 98% of the time. When I go out to eat, I always pay with cash. It's just simpler. While the strategy may appear dated, relying less on your credit card can help you avoid spending money you don't have, using the majority of your available credit, or worse, falling behind on your monthly payments hurts your credit score. If you're having trouble repaying your credit card debt, what do? Always use a coupon. Warren Buffett used coupons to treat Bill Gates to McDonald's. Is he too frugal? Buffett is a sucker for a good deal, and he once used coupons to treat friend and fellow billionaire Bill Gates to a meal at his preferred fast food joint. Do you recall the laughter we shared when we decided to eat at McDonald's while traveling to Hong Kong together? You offered to pay, but then you reached into your pocket and pulled out coupons. This was said by Gates in his annual letter for 2017. Melinda recently discovered this photo of me and the big spender. It reminded us of how much you appreciate a good deal. Never borrowed money to invest. If you know why? During a discussion with students at Notre Dame in 1991, Warren Buffett emphasized his lifelong avoidance of borrowing a significant amount of money and his lack of interest in doing so, while acknowledging that he had once borrowed 25% of his net wealth as a young investor to purchase shares. Despite this, he cautions other investors not to make the same mistake and emphasizes the inherent risks of using borrowed funds for investment purposes, a sentiment shared by seasoned stock traders. Have you tried using a second-hand phone or a flip phone, just like Warren Buffett? Warren Buffett, renowned for his prudent approach to personal finances, demonstrates a lack of enthusiasm for designer suits and the constant pursuit of the latest iPhone model. Instead, he exemplifies a frugal lifestyle by relying on a humble $20 flip phone for an extended period before eventually making the switch to an Apple smartphone. The Oracle of Omaha, Warren Buffett, actively avoids unnecessary and extravagant expenditures, emphasizing the importance of prioritizing saving over impulsive spending. His famous quote, "Rather than saving what is left after spending, spend what is left after saving," encapsulates his methodical approach to wealth management and strategic financial planning. When considering dining options, is it more cost-effective to eat at a cheaper restaurant like McDonald's or hire a personal chef? Despite having the option to hire a personal chef for a luxurious breakfast, Warren Buffett frequently chooses to grab a meal from McDonald's during his commute. He maintains a strict budget of not exceeding $3.17 for his morning food. Is it advisable to eat outside every day? In the documentary, Becoming Warren Buffett, he explains that when he's feeling less affluent, he opts for a cost-effective option of 2 sausage patties, priced at $2.61, which he combines and enjoys with a Coke. Additionally, Buffett mentions that on days when the market is down, he forgoes the $3.17 bacon, egg, and cheese biscuit and selects the more economical $2.95 alternative. This anecdote showcases Buffett's thrifty nature and his inclination to make mindful spending choices. If you have a lot of money, what do you do with it? Warren Buffett could have bought his vacation home outright, but he took out a mortgage instead. Why? Despite having enough money to buy a vacation home in Laguna Beach, California, outright, Warren Buffett chose to take out a 30-year mortgage on the property in 1971. In an interview with CNBC, he revealed that he chose a mortgage because he believed he could earn higher returns by putting the extra income in Berkshire Hathaway shares, a decision that resulted in massive wealth accumulation for him. This demonstrates Buffett's strategic thinking, since he prioritized the future growth of his investment over full ownership of the house. Whenever you think about buying a lavish house, just wait and think about what Buffett says. Warren Buffett is a billionaire who lives in a modest home. What does this say about his values? Unlike many other billionaires who lavishly invest in real estate, Warren Buffett took a different method. He paid $31,500 for his Omaha, Nebraska home in 1958, which equates to almost $318,600 in today's currency. Surprisingly, he has lived in the same residence for almost 6 decades. Despite its age, the house is far from modest, spanning an impressive 6,570 square feet and featuring 5 bedrooms. It has undergone various modifications and extensions throughout the years, raising its present value to around $1 million. To ensure security, the property has fencing and video cameras. Buffett began his plan to stay in the house indefinitely in a letter to Berkshire Hathaway shareholders in 2010, calling it the third best investment he had made. This decision demonstrates Buffett's preference for stability, as well as his understanding of the long-term value of home ownership. Warren Buffett reused a dresser drawer as a bassinet for his first child. Is this frugal or resourceful? Warren Buffett demonstrated his frugal mindset by repurposing a dresser drawer into a bassinet for his first child and borrowing a crib for his second child. His famous quote, "If you purchase unnecessary items, you will eventually be compelled to sell essential ones," emphasizes the importance of avoiding unnecessary expenses. It encourages individuals to carefully examine their buying habits and identify areas where they can reduce spending. By doing so, they can prioritize their needs, eliminate wasteful purchases, and make informed decisions to achieve better financial management. Are you buying a marked-down car rather than a new one? While many billionaires and millionaires accumulate collections of expensive sports cars and historic models, Warren Buffett is said to prefer refurbished automobiles that he can purchase at a bargain. He decided to convert his 2006 Cadillac DTS to a Cadillac XTS in 2014, paying only $45,000 for it. According to Forbes, Buffett stated that due to his annual mileage of about 3,500 miles, he sees little need to purchase new cars on a regular basis. This demonstrates Buffett's preference for pragmatism and value in his automotive selection, which differs from the preferences of other wealthy folks for flashy and expensive rides. What are your thoughts on Warren Buffett's decision to buy refurbished cars rather than new cars, given his preference for pragmatism and value over flashy and expensive rides? Warren Buffett believes that passion is essential for success. Do you agree? According to Warren Buffett, passion plays a vital role in achieving success. He emphasizes that genuine love for a particular endeavor increases the likelihood of excelling in it. Buffett encourages individuals to prioritize pursuing careers that align with their passions, even if these choices may not appear impressive on a resume. Furthermore, he suggests that if circumstances prevent someone from fully dedicating themselves to their passions, they can still find solace in engaging in affordable hobbies that bring them joy. For instance, Buffett himself finds pleasure in activities like playing card games and strumming the ukulele. In summary, Buffett emphasizes the significance of passion in driving success and advocates incorporating enjoyable pursuits into both professional and personal life journeys. That's all for today. Thank you for joining us on this thought-provoking journey through Warren Buffett's smartest way to save money. If you found this information useful, please subscribe to our channel for more motivating content. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and stay tuned for more exciting updates. Subscribe and press the bell icon. Share this video with people you know who could benefit from Warren Buffett's advice. Please leave a comment below if you'd like to share your thoughts and experiences. Until next time, keep exploring, learning, and finding your own passion for success.